Good day, my name is Rafael Kevin Ainagal, and I'm the developer of the video-based module Bioenergetics. Let us start our discussion about bioenergetics. With the first chapter, the cell. The cell theory was attributed to Robert Hooke in 1665 in his book Micrographia. He discovered a slice of cork is made up of thousands of tiny compartments. Rayong mga compartments or rooms were called cellulae. These were the rooms kung saan inhabit the mga monks before. This theory was further developed through the invention of the microscope by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. So what are the salient features of the modern cell theory? Una, tanan nga mga organisms are made up of cells. Cells are the smallest unit of functions of an organism. And finally, wa it nag-exist nga cell kung wa naghalin sa buhi man nga cells. There are two types of cells. First, we have prokaryotes. These are organisms that only have one cell or single-celled organisms. Examples of these are bacteria and archaea. On the other hand, eukaryotes are multicellular organisms. Well, examples of these are humans, plants, fungi, and other animals. What are cells? Its organelles and its functions. Cells are the smallest unit of an organism. All cells have three things in common, no matter what type of cells they are. Rayang tatlong ara ay una, cell membrane, tag nagaseparar ka na sa anang palibot, cytoplasm, tag medyo gel-like nga tubi sa sugod it cell, ag nucleus kung siin do DNA makita. Daywaro klase it cells. Douna ay eukaryotic cell. May anang mga organs nga kung tawgon ay organelles, parihas kun nucleus. Dayang klase nga cell ay mas advanced ag complex. Makita naton da sa mga tanom ag sapat. Do sambatong cell ay prokaryotic cell. They don't have complex organelles, but they have genetic material. Sandara ay kayang mabuhi nga sandalang or kung tawgon ay unicellular. Example, prokaryote ay bacteria. Ano do mga organelles? Organelle means little organ. Sandara ay mga parts at cells nga may unique nga trabaho kada sambato. Mas-start kita sa nucleus, the control center of the cell. Imaura ay naga-contain it DNA or genetic material. Do DNA ro nagasugo sa cell kung ano do obrahonana. Makita man naton do chromatin sa sugod it nuclear membrane. Do chromatin ay DNA man nga pinahaba. Kung ready yun mag-divide do cells during mitosis, the DNA nagiging chromosomes. The nucleus also has a nucleolus, kung siin, the ribosome sa ginaubra. Paggawa it ribosomes paadto sa nucleus or sa gawa it nucleus, anang trabaho ay mag-ubra it mga structure it cells. Ro nucleus ay napalibutan it cytoplasm, kung siin, the mga organelle ay nagagutaw. The ribosomes nagagutaw sa cytoplasm or madukot sa endoplasmic reticulum or ER. Daywang klase do ER. One is rough ER kung siin may nakadukot nga mga ribosomes. Smooth ER kung siin uwa it ribosomes nga makita. Do ER hay imaw do lagusan it mga protein nga ginubra it ribosomes. Pag nag-agi gon do mga proteins nga ra sa ER, hay mabutwa sanda nga gina-enclosed at vesicles. Pagasalpon da sanda, pagkatapos it Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus dumatransform sa mga proteins nga ra para maging mga structure nga mapuslan it cells. Ginahorma it Golgi apparatus do mga protein para maging organelles or madugang imaw it ibang substances such as lipids or in some instances carbohydrates. The vacuoles are substances that store different materials. Sa plant cells, nagastore imaw it tubig or water. Sa animal cells, may aton nga ginatawag nga lysosomes. Daya ro mga basurero. Imaw do nagakolekta ag naga-repair it mga damaged cell parts. The mitochondrion hay ginatawag na powerhouse it cell. Nagaproduce imaw da it energy during the process called cellular respiration, kung siin ATP molecules are produced. The cell nga need the more energy hayabo man anang mitochondria. Or naga-maintain its shape its cell, hay tawgon cytoskeleton. May anarang mga microfilaments ag microtubules. May mga tinuga nga phototrophic such as plants with organelles na specialized kung tawgon ay chloroplasts. Di karado photosynthesis naga-exist. No nagatao it kulay sa chloroplast nga ra ay tawgon chlorophyll. Aside sa cell membrane, may nagaprotect pagid-a sa plant cell, which is the cell wall. Raya do nagaprotect ag nagasupport sa plant cell. Do animal cells, wa it cell wall. A chromosome is a single long molecule of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. So these highly organized structures store genetic material in living organisms. Small sections of the chromosomes, called the genes, are actually the code for the ribonucleic acids or the RNA and protein molecules required by an organism. And so, as we have learned earlier, chromosomes are simply genetic materials found in eukaryotic cells. In humans, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes. These 23 pair of chromosomes were inherited from your mother and a second set came from your father. In humans, each cell normally contains 23 pairs of chromosomes and a total of 46 chromosomes. 22 of these pairs are called autosomes. They look the same in both males and females. The 23rd pair is called the sex chromosomes. They differ between males and females. The sex chromosomes are either chromosome X or chromosome Y. A normal female has 2 chromosome X, while a normal male has 1 of each chromosome. Now, typically, each cell of your body has 46 chromosomes. 23 comes from your mother, and rukatunga halin sa imong father. So, this typical cell is called a diploid cell. Your gametes, on the other hand, contains only 1 chromosome from each pair. Thus, instead of having a total of 46 chromosomes, these cells only have 23. So we call these cells as haploid cells. Take note, both cells undergo cellular reproduction and growth.